Hello YouTube friends. I was not expecting to have an unboxing video at any time soon, but a deal came up that I could not pass when I was on one of my Coach Facebook groups. And I've only bought through the group one other time years ago, and it was a great experience. I've sold just once also through this group. But someone had posted this Coach lot, and I had totally missed it the first time she posted it. No one bought it, so she reduced the price even further. And at that point, it was just too good to pass up because several of these pieces I have really wanted. And so to have it all in one lot was just amazing. So the box was delivered first thing this morning, like 7:30 this morning. So I just opened up the lid, and that way you can't see the names or the addresses on it. But I haven't looked at it yet, so let's see. Open it up here. Some paper wrapping. That's good. Oh goodness, wrapped in plastic. It is raining here. Let me get this out of the way. Let's see. Is there anything else? No. Just a lot of good wrapping. That's good. And it is nice when they wrap it in plastic if it's raining. So, let's see here. It is, look how the papers are inside. Oh, it's so soft. Here we go. It is the Lori, the Coach Lori in the beautiful wash chambray color. Oh, that is gorgeous. So if you remember, I got my Coach Soft Tabby in the wash chambray color, which I just absolutely love. But the pieces that she's included with this, I forgot that the background on that print is also wash chambray. So it's just perfect. But when the Loris first came out, I really wanted one, but then I thought, oh, I used to have a Haley that was made similar, only without the adjustable straps. And it wouldn't stay on my shoulder, so I kind of avoided it. But I've always been curious about the Lori. I thought it looked like a really pretty bag. So here she is. She's got the neat little hook here with the hang tag and the C charm. And I think this is, oh, I always forget. It's not gunmetal. I think it's the black nickel hardware. It's got a nice zipper on the back, and that would easily store, oh yeah, that would easily store a phone. Let me use this. See? This little phone charger. Perfect. Oh, there's tons of room in there. How nice. That's fabric lined. Looks like it's in perfect condition. She adjusted the armholes as long as they will go, so I'll have to check that out, see if that works for me. And then it's got the zippered center section with 2 zipper pulls, and it has feet on the bottom. So this is a really nice pebbled leather. It feels almost like polished pebbled leather, really thick. And this was a boutique bag, not an outlet bag. So then the sides hook with just a light magnet on either side. And then it's lined. It looks kind of like suede, but it's just microfiber fabric on this one. Very nice. It smells good. It's in great shape. No dirt. So the center section here, I will open it up and show you the other goodies that came with it. I like how it opens down the side. It makes it easy. That's perfect. Okay, so in here, she included the Cherries wallet, the medium one. I wanted this one for a long time, and I just didn't want to pay the price. And fun fact, I got this entire lot for the price of just this wallet. So I could not pass it up. But if you remember, I have already gotten the Noah pop-up messenger in the Cherries print. So now I have matching pieces, and I've wanted this wallet and the card case, and I just couldn't pull the plug because I didn't want to spend that much. But I've never had the Coach medium zip wallet. I love the large one. But the medium is nice. All leather inside. Isn't that pretty? It's in great condition. I don't think she really used these pieces because they are pretty new. But the background is the wash chambray, and I wasn't even thinking about that. So I got that with it. And then, as I just blurted out, I got the card case. It's so cute. And again, these are the boutique pieces, and it's got little glitter on the cherries. Love it. I love card cases, especially soft leather ones like this. And it's just lined in here in leather, and then in the card case it's fabric lining. Cute, cute, cute. And one more. And remember, this was all for the price. Oh, nice. This was all for the price of just the wallet. So it's a little pouch. I think was this a wristlet and it's missing the wristlet strap, or is this just a pouch? It's really cute. Got a little tiny Coach hang tag, matches the bag perfectly. This is so nice. I don't have a pouch like this. I thought it was just another corner zip wristlet, but it's got 2 card slots here. Oh, that's pretty. I don't need the wristlet strap. I don't know if it... Let me know in the comments below if this was supposed to come with one, but that's a pretty good sized wristlet too. It's not as small as the corner zip. Cute. And the interior just has one snap closure on one side, and that's it. That's the only other pocket. Oh, that fabric is nice too. It's got the Coach logo all over it. Absolutely no spots or signs of wear. And here's the creed for the Lori. That is very cute. Well, I like this bag very much, obviously. I can't wait to wear it. And I felt kind of stupid getting 2 bags in wash chambray, but I fell in love with the color so much on the soft tabby that I thought, you know, I do love that color. And I have lots of other bags that are all the same color, like my black bags, my saddle bags, oxblood bags. So why not with the blue that I absolutely love? This is gorgeous. I'm very happy with this. So I will come back at a later time to show you what actually fits in this, but I love the sizes. Not huge. It's a bigger purse, but it's not in tote realm, if you know what I mean. Let's see if something... Oh, if I don't have a Kindle in here. I was going to try that, but that would definitely fit. Let me see, a notebook is the same size. That's a little bigger than a Kindle. Let me see how that fits in the front pockets here. Oh yeah, perfect. So that holds a ton. And I do like how all the pockets are the same size, not like my old Hallie where it was the side pockets were huge and the center pocket was really tiny. So very nice. Well, I hope you liked seeing what I bought that I shouldn't have, but who could pass up a deal for all these pieces for the price of a wallet? I would have been crazy not to. It would have been one of those things where I was kicking myself afterwards if I didn't go for it. So very nice seller, free shipping, can't go wrong. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.